Today, we're going to be talking about a classic formula, the VLOOKUP. So a VLOOKUP is a way to extract data from a data set based on a specific lookup value. You'll see 4 different arguments here: search key, range, index, and then is sorted. The search key is the thing that we want to look up. So let's say that we want to get the favorite animal of ID 1013. We can type in 1013. The range is going to be the entire data set, including any columns that we'll need. So I'm using an open range or half open range, B3 to D. The index is going to be the column index for the value that will get returned. So if this is our data table, B3 to D, that's our range. The index is 1, 2, 3. So in this case, we want the favorite animal of 1013. We'll do an index of 3. And then we want false for an exact match. And we see that Robin, white-throated, gets returned for ID 1013. Instead of hard-coding that value there, we can actually reference a different cell for that VLOOKUP. And then we have our functioning formula here that changes dynamically based on whichever ID we have in the search key field. So if we did 1008, we would expect to see otter, and indeed we do see that in the data set down here. The VLOOKUP is useful for combining 2 separate data sets, or like in this case, making a single data set a little bit more usable.